and the just government of the people, we beseech you to behold with abundant favor, as your servants whom we have been pleased to call to the performance of important trust in this republic. Let your blessings descend upon us here assembled, and grant that we treat and consider all matters that shall come under our deliberation in so just and a faithful manner as to promote your glory and honor, and to advance the peace, prosperity, and the welfare of our country, and of those whose interests you have committed to our church. Amen. Next order.
Communication from the chair.
Honorable members, because of the tension that is and the rumor that is going around the county, I so invoke standing order number 1 and direct the ad hoc committee on the investigation on the suspension of one Honorable Okero to be filed in the County Assembly within 30 days. I so direct. Next order.
Messages.
Next order.
Petitions.
Next order.
Papers.
Thank you. Order. Order. Honorable Nyamira. Order. Order. Honorable members, we have recognized the answered departments. So as an honorable member, nobody is allowed. Thank you. Order. Honorable members, order. Next order.
Notice of motions.
Honorable Leader of Majority.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I wish to give a note of motion to this House to discharge the third member, Honorable Nyabaro, of the Speaker's panel and replace with Honorable Doris Nyamanga.
Honorable Leader of Majority, member for Okero.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to give a note of motion to this House to consider, debate, and adopt members to Powers and Privilege Committee as follows. Honorable Nyabaro, Honorable George Abuga, Honorable Julius Nyangana, Honorable Duke Masira, Honorable Julius Matwere, Honorable Vincent Penecha, Honorable Priscilla Nyatichi, Honorable Josephine Atunga, Honorable Dennis Kebaso, Honorable Abigail Martini, and Honorable Dixon Machungu.
Thank you. Another note of motion. Honorable Judge, Leader of Majority.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I wish to give a notice of motion to this House to consider, debate, and adopt members to Procedure and Rules Committee. The members are as follows: Honorable Thaddeus Nyabaro, Honorable Charles Keganda, Honorable Doris Nyamanga, and Honorable Michelle Kemunga. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Next order.
Statements.
Point of order, Honorable Speaker.
What's your point of order, Honorable Keganda?
Honorable Speaker, thank you so much for this opportunity. Honorable Speaker, I've stood on the point of order and I want to raise a statement, Honorable Speaker, as follows that, Honorable Speaker, this morning, a group of goons came to this institution. Honorable Speaker, very surprising. When we looked at them, they were in the uniforms and official enforcement uniforms. Further, Honorable Speaker, when they were questioned, they said they were given the uniforms to perform some duties, Honorable Speaker, which they were not aware. The police arrested them. They are in police custody. Honorable Speaker, we want to understand. We want to know who provided the uniforms and for what purpose. Honorable Speaker, further, if this is the way the county is working the executive, it is so disappointing, Honorable Speaker. We have to investigate, Honorable Speaker, and as a House, we should not be intimidated when we are judging our duties. Further, Honorable Speaker, you can remember what happened last week in this House when workers, that is on Tuesday, Honorable Speaker, workers, they are not workers but goons, but they work here, Honorable Speaker, that they can enter into this plenary, Honorable Speaker. We don't know whether they were harmed, Honorable Speaker. So we are working in fear, and the third one must be investigated, Honorable Speaker, and reported in police. This is a restricted, Honorable Speaker, for non-honorable members. I rest my case, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Next order. I so direct the office of the clerk to handle the matter and inform the relevant authorities. Next order.
Motions on bills.
Next order.
Statements.
Next order.
Motions on bills.
Next order.
Adjournment.
Honorable members, the House stand adjourns until Tuesday, 15th October, 2:30 p.m. Thank you.